back on now, watching, watching, as the credits all roll down, crying, crying. No, we're playing to a full house. No heroes, villains, one to blame. While the heroes is filled stage and the thrill is gone.
Thanks.
Those men.
Our
Who
debut
are they?
was a masterpiece, but in the end, for you and me on this show, it can't go on.
That's why I wanted to see you.
We used to have it all, but now's our curtain call. So hold for the applause, oh, and wave out to the crowd.
There's so much I wish
Take
I
our
could
flight
explain.
back. Oh, it's our time to go, but at least we stole the show. 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 Darling, darling, you know that we are sold out. This is
gave the
fading,
order?
but the band plays on now. We're crying, crying.
What number?
So let the velvet roll down,
Your uncle's a different kind of
down.
doesn't mean he doesn't love us.
No heroes, villains, one to blame. While we'll zero this field stage and the thrill.
leave you
the
for 2
thrill
minutes.
is gone.
Give me my bullets. I tossed them.
Our debut was a masterpiece. Our lines we read
Hold
so
on to them,
perfectly, but the show it can't go on.
Where you been anyway?
I had to
We
make a
used
call.
to have it all, but now's our curtain call. So hold for the applause, oh, and wave out to the crowd and take our final bow. Oh, it's our time to go, but at least we stole the show. At least we stole the show. At least we
Out of
stole the
time.
show. At least we stole the show. Stole the show.
That's why you sent your family away, right? They know what you are.
You did.
At least we stole the show.
So, cops arrived, and Clarissa's little band of brothers arrived. Jordan, tell me you're joking.
No, I called them too. Look, we get a messy altercation at the end of the game. You and I slip away undetected. I appreciate the plan tomorrow.